Alright, so I think I'm going to do a little review. I got this from my local car audio shop. It's a pack that goes through your RCAs for your subwoofer out, and it controls your bass because obviously I'm running the 2 amps, Insignias, 1 to each sub, and can't really get those amps don't even accept a bass knob. Like, they weren't even made to take one, so that kind of sucked. But all this is it's just a little box that turns your RCA, like the output of your RCA, turns it up and down, and I think that it works really good. I got it for about 20 bucks, and if anybody's ever looking for one, that's about how much I paid. I know you can get them online cheaper, but I didn't feel like waiting. So I'll show you how it works here in just 1 minute. Alright, so basically how you would normally hook up your amplifier is you have your RCAs from your head unit. They would come back to your amp and plug in right here on your input. I don't know if you can see that, right about down there. Not the yellow one, but the blue ones. It goes to my head unit. And all you gotta do is unhook them from your head unit, plug them into the input on this, and then and all you gotta do is plug in a little jumper from your head unit, and then you get a 2-foot RCA from your head unit into this, into the back. There will be an input and an output, and each will have left and right, and you plug in your left and right from your head unit. The RCAs that would normally go to your amp, you just plug that into here, and then plug in the ones that you already have hooked up to your amp to the output of this. So basically all it does is takes the RCAs from the head unit into here, and then it controls it with the bass knob here. Turn it up, turn it down, whatever, and all it does is come out under here. I got it all hidden, but it just comes out from here, runs to your amp, back all the way back here, runs up into my amp right there, blue ones, and then my yellow ones are just, this one just goes from this amp to this amp for a jump. But yeah, that's pretty much how that works. I paid I think 25 bucks for it, and works really good. I'll show you how it works here. Hold on. So you got your head unit on. You can turn this all the way down. Turn your head unit up, and there will be no bass, no level from your RCAs going to your amps.
This sounds like the jackpot. This sounds like the jackpot. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business. We're back in business, boys. We're back in business.
So as you can see, there's no bass on. No, well, there is my mids and highs, but there was no level going to my subwoofer to make my subwoofers come on. So all you have to do is, I won't turn up real loud, but I'll just show you. See? Put this on 12. And then all you have to do
what I'm on. How many times I gotta say I'm the champion, and I wear the belt around my waist like a comma bomb. Them boys is wild, turn the streets to the Amazon. Your chick, yeah, we pass her around like a track baton. We don't say it, pass it on.
Alright, so as you can see, it works really good, if you ask me. Here on my head unit, this is the Alpine CDE 102 BT. Can't even see it, but anyways, alright, it's already got one on this, but you got to push the button in to get to it. See, subwoofer, there's the level 15. You could turn it down, but the only thing is that you got to do that every time you want to turn the bass up and down, and then go through bass, treble, balance, fader, defeat, and then you get back to volume. But the thing I like about this is you can just leave it up, leave volume up, and turn the bass knob up if you want, or turn it down or whatever, instead of having to push the button, turn it down. And then if you want to use your volume right after you turn it down, you got to go through them other 5 things to get to the volume. But yeah, see, if I turn this all the way up, I can turn the subwoofer on this down to 0, which is okay. Completely take the bass out like the knob does. So play play a 50 hertz. Shit. We'll play a 50 hertz tone just to show you. Put it on like 5. And that's with the subwoofer on this at 0. Okay. That's at 0. Let's turn the bass back down too. So subwoofer is at 0 on the head unit, and the bass knob. Let me restart that. And it's at 0 on the head unit, and on the bass knob, if I turn it up, you see, and that's with the subwoofer all the way at 0. If I turn this up, obviously it gets louder. So yeah,
This sounds like the jackpot.
seems to work pretty good for me. Anybody's looking for one, hit up your local car audio shop. They should have one for you, or be able to order it. Or you can go online. I know they got it. Just Google like RCA bass knob. Go to eBay. Usually run between 15 and 20, 25 to $30. I paid 25 for this one. Just a pack. But yeah, I really like it. Works really good. So yeah. Thanks for watching. 98 Neon.